Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really cool to dive into, quite literally. Ever wondered how your refrigerator works its magic to keep your food fresh and drinks chilly? Well, you're in for a treat as we unravel the secrets behind the scenes of refrigeration. This is the Mechanics Explained, and let's jump right in. Before we crack open the fridge, let's talk about the science behind it. The core principle is something called thermodynamics. Don't worry, it's not as complex as it sounds. Thermodynamics is all about the transfer of heat, and our refrigerator does this beautifully. At its heart, a refrigerator uses a clever combination of evaporative cooling and compression to remove heat from the inside, thereby cooling down the contents. See, inside your fridge, you've got a refrigerant, a special fluid that's responsible for the magic. When the refrigerant evaporates, it absorbs heat from its surroundings, which in turn chills the interior of the fridge. Now, here comes the real star of the show, the compressor. This little powerhouse compresses the gaseous refrigerant, causing it to turn into a high-pressure, high-temperature gas. As this superheated gas flows through the coils on the back or bottom of your fridge, it releases the absorbed heat into the surrounding environment. This is why you feel warmth around the back of your refrigerator. But wait, we're not done yet. Remember that compressed gas? Well, now it's time for it to cool down and condense back into a liquid. This process releases even more heat. The liquid refrigerant then flows through an expansion valve, where it suddenly expands, becoming a low-pressure mixture of liquid and gas. This rapid expansion cools the refrigerant down significantly. Now, as this cooled refrigerant circulates through the interior of the fridge, it absorbs the heat from inside, making the contents nice and chilly. And that's how your ice cream stays frozen and your veggies stay crisp. And there you have it, the incredible journey of how your refrigerator keeps things frosty. Next time you grab that cold drink or your favorite snack, you'll know the science that's working behind the scenes. Host, if you found this video as cool as your fridge, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more mind-boggling science explained in a fun and easy way. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the world of science is always full of surprises. Host, catch you in the next one.